Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
First, determine whether the text on your file is vector or raster. Open the layers and use the direct selection tool to click the text area. If the text highlights as paths or anchor points, it is vector and easy to remove. If the text sits inside a placed image, inspect resolution metadata like 72 ppi or 300 ppi. If you need pixel-perfect removal, right-click the image and choose Edit Original to open it in Photoshop for content aware. When text is vector, start by selecting individual letters with the direct selection tool. Press Delete to remove unwanted glyphs or use Cut to keep a backup. If you used Image Trace to convert pixels, click Expand and then Ungroup to isolate each trace shape. Use the Pen tool to redraw missing shapes where letters overlapped backgrounds. Use Pathfinder Unite or -front to merge or subtract shapes, and then apply matching fills and stroke widths to blend cleanly. If you must work inside Illustrator with a raster image, try Image Trace set to High Fidelity Photo. Trace at full size to preserve edges, and then expand to edit traced glyphs as vectors. If tracing creates artifacts, draw shape overlays with the Pen tool and sample surrounding colors to match fills. Lower overlay opacity to 50% while aligning, then finalize at 100%. For flawless pixel retouching, choose Edit Original to open the file in Photoshop and work at 300 ppi.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.